Here are easy 5-minute face scrubs to remove blackheads naturally at home without spending a lot of money. 1. Brown sugar and honey face scrub. Brown sugar and honey are both yummy kitchen ingredients. Together, they work hand in hand to gently exfoliate the skin. Brown sugar is safe for all skin types, so it is perfect for sensitive skin. Honey has been hailed since ancient times as a great natural remedy for many ailments, including dry skin. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon honey. In a small bowl, mix all of the ingredients well. Apply the mixture onto your face with circular motions, avoiding the area around the eyes and mouth. Keep scrubbing for 2 to 5 minutes. When you're done, rinse off with warm water. Pat dry with a soft towel. If your face feels a bit dry, moisturize with a drop or 2 of olive oil. 2. Use cornstarch and vinegar. Get 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix in vinegar until the mixture forms a thick paste. Apply to the blackhead-affected area and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with warm water, then follow up with cold water or an ice cube to close the pores. The cornstarch absorbs the excess oil, while the vinegar helps to fade the discoloration caused by the blackheads. For the best results, use this 2-3 times a week. 3. Lemon and salt face scrub. This lemon and salt face scrub is also known as the antibacterial face scrub. It uses 2 super blackhead-fighting ingredients, lemon and salt. Both are great for cleansing skin, leaving it fresh and dirt-free. Lemon removes all grime and dirt from the surface of the skin, preventing not only blackheads, but also acne and whiteheads. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon lemon and 1 teaspoon pure water. Combine the above ingredients in a small bowl. Using clean fingers, apply the mixture onto your face, and massage in a circular motion. Don't scrub too hard, as you don't want a red, inflamed face. After scrubbing for 2 to 5 minutes, rinse with warm water. Splash your face with cold water to close your pores. Pat dry with a soft, clean towel. Your face will look amazingly refreshed, cleansed of all the dirt, excess oil, peeling skin, and dead cells. 4. Baking soda and water. Baking soda is such a common kitchen item that you might not realize you can eliminate blackheads with it. Baking soda helps to neutralize any pH imbalance your skin may have, as well as work as an exfoliant to remove dirt, oil and dead skin cells. To use this on your blackheads, mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of water together to form a paste. Massage the paste onto your face, rinse off with warm water, and then be sure to moisturize afterward. This mixture could dry your skin, so don't use it more than 2 or 3 days a week. Try any one of these DIY blackheads scrubs depending on the available ingredients you have at home. All 4 scrubs are proven effective and economical. If you like our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell button to keep you notified and updated with our latest videos. We are trying our best to give you the most informative beauty-related videos regularly. Thanks for watching The Health Room.